Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and turn on notifications. Now, let's get started. Princess Leonor stood proudly at the forefront of the grand ceremony, her heart filled with a sense of duty and honor. Today marked a momentous occasion in Uruguay as she led the flag's allegiance ceremony, a tradition that symbolized unity, respect, and commitment to the nation. The sun shone brightly overhead, casting a warm glow on the gathering crowd, which consisted of dignitaries, military personnel, and citizens eager to witness this important event. Dressed in a beautifully tailored outfit that blended elegance with national pride, Leonor felt a deep connection to the history and culture of Uruguay. The colors of the national flag adorned her attire, a testament to her dedication and respect for the country she was representing. As she looked around at the sea of faces, young and old, families and friends, she felt the weight of responsibility resting on her shoulders. The ceremony began with a stirring performance by a local band, their music resonating through the air, stirring emotions and setting the tone for the occasion. The melodies were a mix of traditional Uruguayan rhythms and modern interpretations, encapsulating the spirit of the nation. As the final notes faded, the crowd erupted in applause, and the atmosphere buzzed with excitement. Leonor stepped forward, her heart racing, as she prepared to deliver her speech. She understood the significance of this moment, not only for herself, but for everyone present. With a composed demeanor, she addressed the audience, her voice clear and resonant. Today, we gather to celebrate the spirit of Uruguay, a nation built on the values of freedom, resilience, and unity. As we honor our flag, we also honor the ideals it represents, the dreams of our forebears and the hopes of future generations. Her words echoed through the crowd, eliciting nods of agreement and smiles of pride. In that moment, she felt the bond that connected her to the people, a shared commitment to the future of their nation. As she spoke, Leonor glanced at the flags that stood tall around her, fluttering gently in the breeze. Each flag represented a facet of Uruguay's diverse culture, its history, its people, and its aspirations. She knew that the flag was more than just a piece of fabric. It was a symbol of identity and belonging. It was a reminder of the sacrifices made by those who had come before and a beacon for those who would follow. Following her speech, the time had come to perform the ceremonial flag raising. With the help of local dignitaries, Leonor approached the flagpole, her heart swelling with emotion. The crowd fell silent, anticipation hanging in the air. Together, they hoisted the national flag, its vibrant colors unfurling majestically against the azure sky. The sight filled Leonor with pride, and she felt the collective heartbeat of the nation resonating around her. As the flag reached its pinnacle, a chorus of voices rose in unison, singing the national anthem. Leonor joined in, her voice blending with the crowd, creating a powerful harmony that echoed through the square. It was a moment of pure connection, a celebration of shared values and beliefs. Tears glistened in the eyes of many as they sang, united in their love for their country. Once the anthem concluded, the ceremony continued with performances by local dance troupes, showcasing traditional Uruguayan folk dances. Leonor watched in awe as the performers twirled and leaped, their movements full of grace and energy, bringing the spirit of Uruguay to life. The vibrant costumes, adorned with intricate patterns and bright colors, captivated everyone, reminding them of the rich cultural heritage they were celebrating. As the ceremony drew to a close, Leonor took a moment to reflect on the significance of the day. She felt honored to have played a role in this celebration of unity and pride. It was a reminder of the importance of community and the strength that comes from standing together in allegiance to shared ideals. The warmth of the people, their laughter and joy, resonated deeply within her, reinforcing her commitment to serve. In her closing remarks, she expressed her gratitude to the people of Uruguay for their warm welcome and support. Let us continue to work together to build a future filled with hope, opportunity, and kindness. May our flag always remind us of the values we hold dear and the unity we strive for. The crowd erupted in applause, their hearts lifted by her words. As the ceremony concluded, Leonor mingled with the attendees, shaking hands and sharing smiles. The joy and camaraderie in the air were palpable, and she felt a deep sense of fulfillment. Each interaction reinforced her belief in the power of connection and the importance of fostering relationships between nations. As she departed the venue, Leonor carried with her the spirit of the day, a commitment to serve and honor the values of unity and resilience. Leading the flag's allegiance ceremony had been a profound experience, one that would remain etched in her memory as a defining moment in her journey of leadership and service. She looked forward to continuing her role in fostering connections and building bridges among nations, inspired by the strength of the people she had met in Uruguay. That day, as the sun began to set, illuminating the sky with hues of orange and pink, Princess Leonor felt a renewed sense of purpose. She knew that her journey was just beginning, and with each step, she would carry the spirit of Uruguay and its people in her heart, committed to nurturing the bonds that unite them all. Thanks for watching till the end.